you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in League of Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Open League of Legends and navigate to the Settings menu. Under the Audio tab, ensure that the voice chat option is enabled and that your input and output devices are correctly selected. Step 2. Update your audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your sound card. Installing the latest drivers can resolve compatibility issues that may affect voice chat functionality. Step 3. Adjust Windows sound settings. Right-click the sound icon in your system tray and select Sounds. Go to the Recording tab and ensure your microphone is set as the default device. Also, check the Playback tab to confirm your speakers or headphones are set correctly. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block voice chat features. Make sure that League of Legends is allowed through your firewall and that your antivirus is not interfering with the game's voice chat. Step 5. Restart your computer. After making changes to settings or updates, restart your computer to ensure that all adjustments take effect. This can often resolve lingering issues with voice chat not functioning properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with voice chat in League of Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.